Hi everyone, Jack from英作文会話 Community here again, and today I have some Toeic listening practice questions for you. If you have any questions about why a certain answer is right, please leave me a question down below in the comments. But let's get started. How can I get this computer fixed? How can I get this computer fixed? Call the IT department. Call the IT department. Have you seen the latest progress report? Have you seen the latest progress report? No, not yet. No, not yet. What's wrong with the car? What's wrong with the car? It won't start. It won't start. Shall we wait for John before ordering? Shall we wait for John before ordering? No, he won't mind if we start. No, he won't mind if we start. Where will they have dinner? Where will they have dinner? The delegates are dining in the hotel. The delegates are dining in the hotel. And that's the video! Thank you so much for watching. How did it go? How many questions did you get right? Please leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear it. And if you want to practice your English more, click the link in the description to sign up for a lesson at英作文会話 Community. Your first lesson is half price, so give it a shot. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!